Oh, so guys, we went rerouting.
I was looking for a wak-wak.
So we're looking for the wak-wak. We follow the guy with the dog. He's been here for how many times now?
20 years.
Ah, yeah, second time. Dad, it's scary, man. Dad, there's wak-wak no.
No.
Oh my, it's very dark.
What if there's a fox here to eat me?
We're going for a bear hunt.
We're looking for
It's
a
going
wolf
for a
hunt.
big one. Hala ka, Dad.
Oh my God.
Hala, Denise.
Hello, Tai.
Denise. Sabi.
It's a year-old.
Ngit-ngit ka, ayun na.
I don't know if he's anywhere. There's one over there. We must be close.
No, they're just coming into the sun again.
Ana.
Please don't.
Look.
Ana.
Don't worry.
I want more wak-wak.
Oh, you get dark again.
Yeah, I think so. Maybe.
Dark in there, eh?
Very,
I'm scared.
very,
There's
very.
eyes. And you're the boy.
It looks like, honestly,
That looks like a thigh.
tae. Dagko yung Denise. And then you know where to go, Dad?
Follow the trail.
Trail bitaw. Bantay gid mo wala ta, we get lost.
We're gonna. I think we're pretty good, guys.
I thought that's the end there, but it's not.
What?
That's the side, the sun. Look, ngit-ngit ani eh.
Oh, you shivering, guys.
Hala ka, hala ka. Hala ka, Denise. Hala na. Wow. Hala. Hala.
Don't be a
I don't know if I'm safe with our mother, no.
COVID-19, it says there. Oh.
We've got 2 ways to go.
Straight that down.
No, no.
Now, here we go. We have go down or left. Left, ah? You want to go to the left?
Wait a minute.
No, we're gonna die people there. That's leads right to the bear.
Here we go.
Okay.
It's brighter again.
Oh, it's like, where are we now?
Yay.
We're in Fairy World.
Hello. Here we go. Dad, slidey, Dad, slidey. Hold her.
Die right now. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Sige, you want to come here?
No, no.
Now, where we're going?
We're going to Fairyland.
I think the guy went here.
I don't think he does.
Hello, 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 hello.
Hello?
I told you. Patay. Digyas ni ron. Ay, nako. We're going for a bear hunt.
Where are we now?
I don't know. You want to go this way, so.
Yeah, but God said we want.
Ay, kamong duha may pakagun yung ulo. Ngita maglisod na isa yun. Na isa yun, mangita lisod ka maglibog aha pa ingon left or right.
We're gonna get
No, na siya kabalo oh.
What will be like sleeping out?
Na. La, another dark. La, wak-wak. Another wak-wak path. Hello. Dad. Oh, I know. There's also there. So where you going? There's 3 roads. Right, straight, left.
Oh, I think this is the way to do.
Hello, going to wak-wak. Hello. Dad, there's plenty names, Dad. Oh, there's Lod. Dad. There's.
This is a bad one here.
Huh? Why you go there?
Where are we going?
Unto ana. Dad, this is too high.
What?
This
Sam,
is
we're going
2.
down.
Oh, sige, Nilis. It's too.
Down.
You're not going down.
Sige, sige, go.
Scared.
Are you?
Take that.
No, I'll take you.
No, don't take me.
Hold lang ba? Daddy will hold you. Unsa man ni? Ay, wala man.
There you go.
This is
I don't
too.
want that.
Hold daddy nak.
I want that part.
Da. Hold.
Come on.
Kamu mo'y gusto mo anhi dire. I do want to go this road but you want. So,
Yeah, I choose this road.
Radiant
It says
smile.
forever.
Radiant smile. How can you smile?
Cheese.
That one's been blocked off.
A1.
Hey.
Ah, you know that this is a bike trail.
You know that.
Oh my gosh.
No, don't want a bike.
Slide na. Mga slide kita ani karon. Ay, lisura eh.
Lala. No, what I do.
Look at here nak, look at here.
Cheese.
Cheese ka karon. Cheese. Sige, sige na, I'll hold your back. You want.
Walk on the trail. Walk on here.
I was holding your back.
Walk on here.
Ganun ni agi ta diri nga para bike man eh. Di man tawo man taga bike.
Walk up. Please leave her.
Up nak. There. Slowly ha.
Right. Come on. See, it's easy here. It's easy. Right. Come on.
I'm holding your.
Hey, imagine coming down here in a bike.
Ambot ni mo David. Coming this way. I don't like it.
Imagine. Would you like to do this on a bike?
I don't even want to do it without the bike.
Really? Come on then.
Really ka karon? Get her. Kurunto nga. Dari mga agi.
Walk.
Get her, Dad.
Stop it. Like a bear. 3-year-old. Come on then. Give me your hand.
Please don't walk out behind you. Go. Go, hurry up.
Oh, come on. You can cut the logs to get past.
Bro. We're supposed to be following the path.
Lagot jud ba?
Imagine coming down there on a bike.
Naay sayon
Yeah, imagine we'll die.
agianan mo ani gyud agi sa maglisod-lisod. Nangayabag ng duha eh.
How could I follow this bike?
Right, come on.
Which is right, you just went straight.
Right, come on.
I decided.
Come on, Daddy.
No, palayo pa kayo tinuod ni.
I'll go this
Okay nako.
Come that way then.
Dad, sus na ikahoy oh.
Tayo.
Right, come on.
Go. I'll hold you. Just keep going. Watch. Saba dinis.
Can watch this. Just
Sig syagit. Pagkaon ta kaswak-wak ron.